Hey, I'm Joel Widmer, and when I started my company several years ago, I was overwhelmed by everything that needed to be done. I thought that if I worked harder, I could just get through it, but I soon discovered that I just got more behind. I could never get organized. Something would come up and knock me off track. I couldn't stay focused, whether it was on projects or between projects. My work-life balance was a joke. I was always working, no time for family or fun. I always seemed to procrastinate on the most important things. I would look back on my day and only the least important things seemed to get done. Motivation came and left me. I couldn't keep it consistent, and I had no idea how to prioritize. I never knew where I should start, and I was constantly overthinking what to do next. Now, if you can relate to any of those, keep on listening. We don't just learn these things in school, and they don't come naturally. It took me over 8 years of intentionally studying time management and thousands of dollars to learn all this. I know that you don't have that long, so I took all the strategies that I have learned, only the ones that have worked the best, and put them into the step-by-step course. So if you're struggling with any of these, this is the course for you. It doesn't matter what job you have or situation you're in, you can apply these strategies today. Here's what I want to show you. I want to show you how to get and stay focused, how to set your priorities right, how to stay motivated through whatever tasks or projects you're doing, how to deal with those roadblocks that come up inevitably like procrastination, overwhelm, and distractions, and how to create urgency so you can get it all done faster. These methods help me go from struggling to manage 3 projects to easily managing a dozen at the same time and working with hundreds of happy clients. They've helped me get everything done during the week so I can enjoy the weekends off with my family and take vacations without being stressed. And learning how to manage my time has created so many other opportunities that I could never take advantage of before. But the biggest thing that it's helped me with is that it has actually stuck. You see, I've tried dozens of different methods and bounced around from each one for a few weeks at a time and then stopped. But they were all missing a few of the things that I'm really excited to share with you in the course. See, managing your time better for the sake of doing it is not going to last. I want to show you how to attach these time management strategies to the outcomes that you want and create those lasting habits that will become second nature to you. The beauty of this course is that you can go through the entire course or pick and choose the strategies that apply to you right now. If you follow these strategies, use the worksheets I provide, and just give it a try, you will be able to completely transform the way that you get things done. You will be able to hit your goals and proactively take control of your time.